Hey guys, this is an Encon. It's labeled spinner. It's labeled as Sears. It's from 1988. Picked this up when I was with Brandon Jones, and I got it at my local Fond du Lac Habitat. How much did I pay for it? Does it say on one of the blades? No, it doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure that this is like $15. I even came with the mounting bracket. I'm using the Pavilion mounting bracket because mounting bracket that came with it, it's hard to mount mounting brackets, so we got this for now. The bearings are horrendous on it. There might be a problem with it. Here is low. You're wondering what that other whipping sound is? It's that view fan over there. I'll get a video of that later. But yeah. You can hear the bearing sounds. Horrendous. Fan in the background is a Moss heirloom. Plan to get that. I'm gonna get a video of that soon as well. Had it hanging, but I never got a chance to, and I really wanted to hook this up. Yeah, I'm using the ground wire to hold up the canopy because there's different kind of canopies than that one. This one doesn't have the slats on the side where you can mount it. Alright, we'll go to medium. Yeah, the bearings are terrible. I need to looks like about up on the air though. I'm gonna get a shot from him. Better view the view fan. The bearings in this are terrible. Surprisingly, the spin down's decent for a fan with the bearings that sound like crap. I'm serious. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I will make a video of the view fan after this. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.